guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Suri and I try to make makeup easy just for you. Surprise! So in today's video, I am not going to do any makeup look. However, I am going to show you all the products that I bought from Nykaa, recent Nykaa's Super Summer Saver Days sale. So some of the products I think you have already seen because I have used it in my previous video. However, I still am going to show you in this video as well क्योंकि मैंने इतना products खरीदा नहीं है इस बार, तो अगर मैं वो नहीं दिखाऊँ तो मेरे पास video like उतने products नहीं होंगे. So that's why I'm going to show you and we're gonna pretend that this is the first time I'm showing you these products. Okay? इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं, है ना? I know you'll always have my back. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I bought is this. This is the Innisfree Vitamin C Face Sleeping Mask. Sorry, brightening pore sleeping mask. I'm so sorry. So this was actually suggested by my friend. She was using for this range for quite some time and she said that this is very amazing, so I trust her opinion always, and when she says that this is good, then I just blindly trust her. So I bought this one. This is how the packaging looks like. We get 100 ml of this product, which is a lot. And when I open this, so this is the product here. As you can see, this is very translucent and gel-like, and it smells really amazing. Even if you have oily skin, because my friend has oily skin and it still works wonders, and this says brightening. I don't know how much brightening it did, but the feel of it and the hydration that it gave, and my skin looked so amazing and supple from the next day onwards. I would really suggest you to buy this. However, I would ask you to wait for sale time because this is very costly for 100 ml. I am so impressed by this product that me and my sister, like my whole family is impressed by it, by the way. So me and my sister are already deciding that when the next sale comes up, we are going to get all the products in this range. So for the next product that I bought from the sale was this one. This huge bottle is the Jeju Aloe Vera Soothing Gel from the Face Shop. Can you see how huge this is? This big boy contains 300 ml of product, and this one I bought from my mom because she is very she doesn't indulge in so much of skincare, so I really wanted her to try this one at least because she loves aloe vera gel. We all do, come on, it's aloe vera gel, we all do. So this is the packaging. When I open the lid, here is a protective shield, and when you open this is the amazing gel that you get. I love aloe vera gel. I have used its raw plant extract. We used to have aloe vera plants in our garden, but not now. Bummer. So I really wanted to try this for a very long time, and let me tell you, those of you who don't know, aloe vera gel can be used for anything. If you are sensitive to sun and you get really bad sunburns and you want to soothe it out, aloe vera gel. Hair to look very silky and smooth, aloe vera gel. If you want a very hydrating effect or a very hydrating moisturizer for your face and skin, aloe vera gel. There is just one other product from skincare, and that is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the shade Peach. So this is the one that I bought, and this is not as thick as the lip sleeping mask, but I'm okay with that. And this one also really works good on your lips. Like I use it day night as my sleeping mask, and in daytime as well whenever my lips feel dry. And yeah, there's no bad thing that I want to say about this product. And as it says that lip glowy balm, it actually, your lip glows, like it has more luminosity, it gives more luminosity to your lips as well. So I love it. Like it says that it works good for your lips. It does. It says that it it's a lip glowy balm. It does. So you can replace your lip gloss with this as well, because it is very glowy. So this is not like, right now I am wearing a lip gloss and not this one, just to let you know. However, this can surely replace your lip gloss because it has a really good glowy texture to it. So if you want to try this, you can. Okay, so skincare is done. Now for makeup. So for makeup, the first thing that I want to show you, and I'm very excited to try this. I haven't yet tried it and I'm just like, oh, when will I try this? So this, so let me just show you the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in the shade Primrose, Peach Primrose. Can you just see how amazing this looks? Can you, like, let's just stop for some seconds and just appreciate how good this looks. Like seriously, like I have one from this range, and that is the Sweet Pea, and I have used this today and I loved that, because and it's a sort of pink with a lavender tone to it, and I love the lavender color. And as you can see, I have loaded my face with that blush and I got so impressed by it. I wanted to try another one, and this is the Peach Primrose. Whoever has been following me since day one know that I am a die-hard fan for peach colors, coral colors. Tell me, I'll get it. I love all these colors, man, and really wanted to try this one. Have heard so many good things, not a bad thing from anybody, and I really want to try this, and hoping that I will try this in my next tutorial. So stay tuned if you want to see the review of this one. The next product that I want to show you is the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. I don't want to say anything about this product because I have said so many good things about this product. I love this liquid liner. I'm never going to change it. It's been like this is like my third or fourth tube. I have lost count. I love this. It is in a little glossy in texture, so when you sweat or something, it doesn't smudge. It is the best thing in the world. This is the terminator of all liquid liners. I don't know why no one talks about this liner. I don't know when it launched. I don't care. I am using this for so many years and I will still use this till I die. No way around that. I just hope that Maybelline doesn't stop the production of these liners, then it will make it difficult. So I don't know why there's no one speaking about this liner, but I am here. I am speaking about this liner. If you want a really good liquid liner, and if you want that when you sweat your liner doesn't smudge, you can really go ahead with this. It's very inexpensive. The tip of this is also very thin, as you can see, very thin. And as you can see, this has already dried up and it's a little glossy. It doesn't look as much glossy as you would think it would look, so you can just ignore the fact that this is glossy. This, like, for me, matte or glossy doesn't, like, it's secondary. Primary thing is when I sweat, when I'm feeling hot and I sweat, I want my liner to stay. I don't like smudged liners. I have went through this. It's horrible. It's horrendous. I never want to go through it again. Thank me later, girls and boys, or don't thank me. It's okay. I just wanted to try this. So we are approaching at the end of this video. There are some of the 4 to 5 products from one brand, and I have used these products in my previous video. Again, I will link it down below in my description box. Please do check my description box if you want to see how these products really worked out. And I have no bad thing, no bad thing to say about these products. So the first thing is this one right here. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, and I love this. I love this. I have used it today, and if you can see, don't see here, I've already used a highlighter here, but if you can see here, a little bit of luminosity, here, if you see a little bit of luminosity, and here as well, if you see a little bit of luminosity in those parts, it is because of this product. I had been searching so much for, you know, good drugstore luminous primer, and I found it. It just costed me around 450 rupees, and it makes my makeup look so dewy, so amazing, that I don't need any other luminous primer other than this. No. And I know I'm going to use it in every tutorial, every next makeup tutorial, and whoever watching this, you get ready, you will be seeing more of this primer. Can't say anything bad. I love it. So the next product from e.l.f. Cosmetics is the concealer sponge. Don't look at this concealer sponge right now. It's very dirty, but I'm going to show you this side. Yeah, this is you know, a little bit clean, so I'll show you this part. So this look at me hiding the dirty part of a sponge. Oh my god, when am I going to grow up? And my answer is never. So this is the concealer sponge. I used this today. I used it in my previous video, and I love it. You're looking at my makeup, and if you're thinking, wow man, her makeup is looking phenomenal, her base is looking phenomenal, this is the reason. Like the luminous putty primer, the concealer, the foundation with this sponge, get this. Okay, so last but not the least product is this is the e.l.f. Bite Size palette in the shade Cream and Sugar. This, like, I stand by the statement that I said in my previous video. This is by far the most neutral palette that I've ever owned, and let me tell you, the shadows here works really amazing. I found a little bit difficulty into, you know, blending this shadow. However, the end result was amazing. I just had to give, like, you know, provide it with more care and patience while I was blending this shadow. But the shimmers, oh my god, I cannot say anything bad about this. Nothing about this is bad, nothing, and it's amazing. So if you want to get your hands on this, I would suggest that you can, and it's very affordable. I got it at around 200 rupees, so wait for sale time and get this. You will not regret it. The shimmers are amazing. You just have to watch the video to know. Okay, so the next product is the last product for this video, and that is this one right here. This is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Bubbles. So this is a lip gloss or lip lacquer. So e.l.f. has two types of glosses. One is this, and other is lip plumping gloss. I saw that, you know, I wanted a clear gloss, I wanted some shimmer in it. I got this here, and I cannot say anything bad about it. It really is an amazing lip gloss. This is the lip gloss right here. The shimmer, you can see that there is a little bit of shimmer here and gives more luminosity to your lips because of the shimmer. And you know, it's a lip gloss and it works really great, and I loved it. So not a bad thing, not a bad thing I want to say about this. If you want to buy any of these products that I showed you in this video, you can get on ahead. The makeup products you can try for skincare. I would suggest you to try according to your own skin type. I am a dry skin girl, so these products work really great on dry skin, except for the lip sleeping mask. I think that is universal. For the other, you can research according to your own skin type and try it out. So we have reached to the end of this video. These are all the products that I bought from the Nykaa Summer Super Saver Days sale. So I really enjoyed it. It's been so long since I have done a Nykaa sale haul video, and I really enjoyed myself while doing this. So let me know if you would like to watch these videos again. And also, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I come online on YouTube. So if you subscribe, it really motivates me, and it's just a normal button that you have to click, and that's it. And yeah. And yeah, if you love this video, do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that all of you all can enjoy me blabbing so much for such a long time. And also, do follow me on my Instagram account, and that is at It's Just Suri. The link to my Instagram account will be pinned down in the comment sections below, so make sure to check it out. If you want to follow me, you can. If you don't, it's okay, no hard feelings. However, just check my page out. I put some great content there as well. So yeah, love you 3000, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.